Hey guys, how's it going? Today I will be starting up a new project on the channel. This is a Trek MT60 kids mountain bike. I don't use it anymore. I am way too big for it, so I thought I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up, do a rebuild, and sell it. Get it out of here so maybe someone else can enjoy it. It's a great bike. It's still in good condition. I'm gonna be cleaning and greasing all the bearings, just completely taking this thing apart, fixing up the derailleur because I know it's in a bad condition. Yeah, pretty much rebuilding this thing from scratch. I won't be putting many new parts on it. I'll definitely put on new grips because these ones are gone. Other than that, there's nothing really I have to replace. I'll put on a few bike lights and whatnot, but yeah. So I'll update you guys when I've got most of the parts disassembled. Okay guys, I got the bike all disassembled. Here it is. Down to the gear shifters, derailleur, and the frame. I'm gonna get this cleaned up because it was quite dirty. Part out, part by part. So yeah, look at this thing. I'm gonna get this cleaned up. Alright guys, just a quick update. As you can see, I greased the bearing up real well on the top and the bottom of the steering tube. So yeah, I'm just getting that all finished up. Pack that, absolutely pack these bearings with grease because, well, I want to have nice bearings, have a nice feel when you're steering the bike. So yeah, I'll update you guys once I have finished a little more on the bike. Loosely put the rear tire on, no brakes on it yet, no seat, handlebars obviously, but yeah, I'll update you when I have everything back in place. Alright guys, I'm pretty much finished with the rebuild. No grips obviously. Need a little touch up on the paint here and there. But yeah, I'm pretty much done with the rebuild. Cleaned it up a little bit. I think it looks pretty nice, especially the forks. If you look later in the video, the forks were a mess, guys. They really were. No, look at them. So yeah, everything looks pretty new on this bike. Yeah. Rebuild was well, my first bicycle rebuild ever, so definitely did have to do a little bit of learning. Tuned up the brakes. Make sure both sides are even. Yeah. So yeah, this has been part 1 of this bike restoration. This is just a rebuild, so part 2 will be coming very shortly. In that part, I'll be just painting up some of this stuff, you know, making it look a little nicer. And then part 3 is when I'm gonna put some stuff on, like grips, obviously grips. This cable right here needs a cable end. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the series so far. And this will conclude today's video. Again, this isn't the same day as I rebuilt everything. This is a whole different day. So yeah. Hope you guys have pretty much enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe. It helps me a lot. It really does. I have a pit bike build video on a Yamaha TTR 110 coming very, very soon. I have a lot of parts for that. I am very hyped for that, actually. So yeah, subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. I do motocross, a lot of bike riding, mechanic stuff. You know, I'm an amateur mechanic, but I'm learning. So yeah, I'll have a tire changing video on bicycles coming up later today. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.